Hi everyone, my name is Joe Heiss. I'm the Senior Director of CX Solutions and Strategy at Apprentice.io. We're excited to celebrate our 10-year anniversary at the show today and enter the food and beverage market officially. We are a next-gen manufacturing platform that took on the pharmaceutical industry to begin with, one of the most regulated industries. Our theory was that there were a lot of parallels here in the food and beverage to do batch manufacturing. Our overall objective is to apply our advanced principles to accelerate and optimize manufacturing. And I feel like coming into the show, meeting the different partners, attending the different events has proven that theory out. We can leverage our AI capabilities, our materials management, our inventory management, our equipment management, and our different authoring and execution principles to improve the industry. We were able to attend multiple innovative sessions with everyone, and we really have learned a lot. We know we don't know everything, but we really are excited to continue the journey, attend future events, and collaborate with the new partners and businesses that we've come to learn in the market. At the American Food Manufacturing Summit, beyond just all of the wonderful people that were here, we were able to learn a lot about the efficiency gains and how making every penny and every second count and how important that is to the industry. And we're going to be able to take that information back, improve our product, improve our use cases and our overall approach to the marketplace, and then even come up with new speaking engagements.